crypto family. We all know him for Tesla. Previously, many, but not all, know him for being one of the founders of PayPal. PayPal, as you all know, one of the great pioneers when it comes to electronic payment, to pay electronically. So, foremost lately, last years, he's been known for Tesla, the electric car, which has been very popular here in Norway, Scandinavia, Europe generally. It's, you all know, it's very famous. Not a real picture as you see, but Tesla is starting to build their manufacturing facility in Karnataka, southern city of Bengaluru state in India. It's registered, etc. The transport minister of India in December said that Tesla will arrive in sometime 2021, and it looks like the company is going to get a good foothold in India. Some questions immediately raised is how will we, or how will they sort out the electricity problem? There is clearly a shortage of electricity in India. How will that be solved? We don't know. How will they get to put their superchargers, which they have all over US, Europe, etc. But we will see. Maybe they will come up with some crazy plan. So actually, I haven't read this article myself. The news is relatively fresh. Just did a video on Bitcoin, a brief introduction in Punjabi, which you can see. I just put it up a few minutes ago, actually. Not the best video, but it's the first one I ever made, so it will improve. So we will see now when it starts, if we get to see any pictures. Here we see, as we all know, Musk very popular on Twitter. When he says something there, it creates waves, and well, that's just Elon. And one of the great abilities he have actually to impact the world. We have seen different people on Twitter, Trump, etc., having their impact, and we see smart, intelligent people having their impact. So it's very good to see. Can you all hear me, by the way? Don't know. Yeah, it's very bad quality. So please shout out if it's shit. Yeah, it looks like it's pretty shitty. So if it's shitty, my two viewers, or can you please let me know if it's shitty? Probably it's pretty shitty, the whole thing, but just let me know if it's bad. So Bitcoin, yeah, he's into Bitcoin as well. I was looking for some pictures of Tesla, Taj Mahal. Maybe there's a. I was hoping for a Tesla parked in front of the Taj Mahal, like the nice crisp scenery behind it. But I found Elon Musk shaking hands with Narendra Modi, so that was even better. So they will make the most affordable model in the country by 2022. So it means probably the manufacturing facility will be actually finished this year. Should be maybe starting of next year. So yeah, as you can see, for now we'll have to see if there is any solid promises. There is no solid promises about any delivery dates or the charging network, which I just mentioned initially. This is a big question. Like, how the heck are you gonna do this because in US, Europe, we have many countries with who have surplus in electricity. So many countries buy electricity from other countries which have a surplus. India is known for not having a surplus in electricity, especially in the summer. It's a big shortage of electricity. I know there is nuclear facilities to produce electricity the last 10 years. So maybe, I don't know. Like we see here, they don't have any solid promises about any charging network or any delivery dates yet. So the chief minister has said this. Yet to hear from Tesla themselves about this, because that's going to be the main driver of this. So what the hell is this? Yeah, we are in some Indian, I think, news site. So additional chief secretary told that the time frame and manner is yet to be decided. So still a lot of stuff to be decided, basically. But at least the chief minister of Karnataka, or the state Bangalore, has announced it. Is it just for politics sake, or is it for real? We don't know. It looks pretty solid. So, but we yet has to see what Tesla has to see. Let's see Tesla if they have anything on Twitter about this. They probably have some kind of information. There is nothing here which is no news from Tesla at